Hi, it's Debbie Williams from the Cocaine Help Clinic. Now, we use a process of NLP to help you to break your addiction. So what is NLP? NLP stands for Neuro-Linguistic Programming, and it's one of the reasons why we've won more golds in the last 4 Olympics, because it's very precise in how we can influence our behaviour. Now, NLP is like finding the owner's manual for your brain, and as you've realised with an addiction, you have a brain, it's not user friendly, something happens and you click into a trance really, and off you are going to get the cocaine, even though you've decided previously, that's it, I've had enough. So what NLP can do, it can interrupt those patterns, and there's lots and lots of strategies. We've come up with a unique way to master your mind using the NLP and also hypnotherapy. So for example, if you could imagine any time that you feel that you've got an urge, rather than the devil and angel, if you had a whole team on the one side supporting the angel with the likes of, I don't know, Alan Sugar or Gordon Ramsay. So whenever that urge is coming and you've got either one of those saying, what are you doing? This is a parasite. It hasn't even got any legs. Don't listen to that. And, when I work with people, I add my voice as part of the team. And my job is to say, well, if you do, how will it feel in an hour? How will it feel in 4 hours the next day? So that you get the full picture, because we get locked into the first little bit and think this is what it's going to be. It's going to be good. And then often when you've ordered it, there's the feeling of, oh, why have I done that again? So yeah, have a look at a lot of our free videos on the free course. And if you feel that we can help you, then if you want to, you can come and see us one-to-one, or we can work online. Great talking to you today. Bye now.